Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make kunafa. So let's get started. I've got here some homemade kataifi or kunafa dough. You can buy it in the freezer section in some supermarkets. If you cannot get it in your country, I'll put a link below on how to make kataifi or kunafa dough and 1/3 cup of melted butter. For my sugar syrup, I've got here 3/4 cups of water, 3/4 cups of white sugar, or you can use raw sugar. And if you want your kunafa to be sweeter, then you can use 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of rose water, or you can use 1 teaspoon of rose essence. And for my milk pudding or milk custard, I've got here 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of rose water, or you can use 1 teaspoon of almond essence, and 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. You will also need a round cake tin. I'm using a 7-inch cake tin, but you can use 8-inch or 9-inch as well. A piece of baking paper for lining the base, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, a pastry brush, and 1/4 cup of thinly sliced or ground pistachios for decorating. Cover your kataifi with a damp paper towel or a damp tea towel to stop it from drying and put it aside. To make the sugar syrup, take a small saucepan, add sugar and water, put it on medium heat and cook it until the sugar has dissolved and the syrup has started to boil. Add rose water, or you can use rose essence and lemon juice. Give it a mix, lower the heat and simmer it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the heat off, transfer it in a heat-proof jug and let it cool down completely. To make the milk pudding or milk custard, take a small saucepan, add milk and corn flour and mix it well. Add sugar, put it on low heat and cook it until the pudding is thick, stirring it continuously. Add almond essence, or you can use rose water or rose essence. Give it a mix and turn the heat off. Transfer it into a dish and let it cool down completely. Use a pastry brush and brush the base and the sides of the cake tin with melted butter. Line the base with baking paper and brush it with some melted butter as well and put it aside. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees for a fan-forced oven and 200 degrees for a conventional oven. Take your kataifi or kunafa dough and add melted butter. Lift the kataifi up and toss it around to coat it with the butter. You can also break it into small pieces as well. Take half of the kataifi and spread it evenly on the base of the cake tin. Press the base firmly using a glass or something with a flat bottom. Spread the milk pudding evenly on top of the kataifi, leaving a 2 cm gap all the way around, and sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on the top. Put the remaining kataifi on the top and spread it evenly so that the filling is not visible. Press the top and sides down lightly using a spatula to seal the crust. Bake it in a preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until you get a golden brown color. Take it out of the oven, immediately pour the cool syrup all over the top, reserving a little for serving, and let it soak for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place a plate on top of the baking tray and carefully tip the kunafa over. Now place the serving platter that you want to serve your kunafa on top of the kunafa and flip it one more time. Decorate the top with some crushed or thinly sliced pistachios and cut it into any size or shape you like. My kunafa is ready to serve. It is best to eat it hot or while it is still warm and the cheese in the center is melted and gooey. You can also drizzle some syrup on the top before serving, which is optional. Leftover kunafa can be kept in the fridge for up to 3 days in a sealed container. Reheat it in a non-stick fry pan and serve it with some reserved syrup. Do not microwave it or it will become soft. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.